So, you get together with your friends one weekend and talk shift to your automobiles. While you are groaning about how costly your premiums are, some of your pals are grinning because their premiums are more than just great. Is this kind of disparity in premium price normal? Could your car insurance company make a mistake of quoting the right premium price for you to pay? Or are they merely just ripping you off? Hi, I'm Stella, and today I'll be explaining what makes the price of premium seem so uneven across the board. Oh, before I get started, if you are not a subscriber yet, hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification so you stay in the know. Cool? Now we can get started. Now, if you haven't been driving long or you simply haven't ever had the time to give it much thought, you may not have noticed that the certain factors directly impact how much an insurer charges as premium. While there are many of these factors, the 5 most common ones include Factor 1. Driving history. More specifically, this is referring to your track record of any previous traffic offense. Have you ever had a few accidents in the past? If your answer to that is a yes, you can expect your premium to be on the high side. This is because a history of traffic offenses is considered an increased liability for your car insurance agency. In fact, many insurers may even choose not to offer you insurance if they think you've had too many accidents in the past. Factor 2. Location. On an annual basis, the Ministry of Transport of Malaysia released a report of the number of accidents in various states. As you can imagine, this is another major factor that directly affects your liability and, by extension, your premium. If your state and city and neighborhood show high record of accidents, this will result in increased premium rates. Factor 3. Driver age. Younger drivers who have only just obtained their license will also pay higher premium rates, broadly speaking, all because car insurance companies them to have less experience on the road, as such are more prone to getting involved in accidents. The benchmark age is 25. Drivers below that are perceived to have increased liability, and so premium rate for them are usually significantly higher for them than it is for older drivers under the same circumstances. Factor 4. Driver gender. Over the years, statistics have lent credence to the fact that female drivers are less often involved in road accidents than are male drivers. So in addition to age, the amount a male will have to pay for his premium will be higher than what a female has to pay. All things being equal. Factor 5. Make, models and condition of the insurer vehicle. The newer your car, the more likely it is that its anti-theft and safety features are fully functional. As a result, your premium might actually be reviewed backwards. Also, recent studies have shown that certain vehicles have an increased chance of getting stolen compared to others. If your car is one of such, you will likely see an increase in premium costs. Considering this, it's probably a good idea to do as much comparison shopping as you can to make sure you get the most value for your money. A great way to get started is to use the Fincrew insurance comparison website. It's detailed and will help you to make sure you don't miss anything. By now, I hope you have a good idea of why you pay the premium you do now. Like this video? We hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe so you will get the best info and updates about all your car and motor insurance in Malaysia. Till next time, have a great day!